Hi guys, ano yun?
Hi guys!
Okay, good morning. So welcome back to our child job opportunity worldwide. So today guys, we will unbox our ROG 1 terabyte HDD. Okay? So
What is that, Daddy?
I will just share the link for the seller guys. But again, it's bubble wrap. Bubble wrap siya.
Papa, what is this?
Later on, we will check. So we will put some flavoring. Okay, so now
Oh, you need to cut them. Oh,
Okay.
Daddy, you cannot.
we will cut them.
Yay!
So normally guys, sa ibang mga seller, naka 3,700 yung
What is
price.
this, Daddy?
But yung nabili natin siya guys, 3,100 plus.
What is
with
this,
all the discount.
Daddy, what is this?
Daddy mo ko. Papa lang. Okay, so we will share guys. Oh wow. So this is a FX storage with style. So it's glowing. This part is glowing.
So let's open
Okay.
it. We'll open it.
So we will take a picture first. Oh, we will open it, but we will take a picture first. Okay? Alright. Oh, sige. Okay. Okay. We are done with the picture. We will take a unboxing part of the real item.
Open. Daddy will open.
Faster! Go! Oh, what's that? So this is the holder. We will just set aside. Wait lang, ito ang ano bala ang...
Oh!
Okay, so from the box itself, there's another box. Okay,
Yes.
and we will set aside. Wait lang. Okay, so this one is... Okay, so we have here a manual. So there are two manuals.
Over here, look.
Okay, so there's a manual, English, and this one is
It's a book.
other languages. So marami siyang language. Oh, may French, may Italiano, Espanyol. So we will not be using this one. We will check first what else is included in the box. So we have the actual device. Wait lang. What's that, Daddy? Wait, check. Ano siya? Paano nag-open niya? How to open it? Ay! Damage. Okay. Joke mo ka na. Okay, we will just throw it away. Wait. Malaki. No, wait. We will check. Okay, we install that. Okay. Okay, so this is the connector. So we will... Wait. What else? Okay. So yan guys, so there is a slick design. Parang katulad din nito, is focus mo dito. So mayroon siyang finish na parang brush finish. So ito rin parang ay brush finish. So ito black, ito gray. Pero sa back niya black. Okay. Okay, so we will check. So it's 1 terabyte. Yung power supply is 5 volts. Oh, sige na. Come on. Connect mo. What do you want? Sige na. So we will connect. Oh, sige na. Connect na. Why? Oh, sige. Connect. You connect. No, i-connect mo dito. I-connect. So this is a brand ASUS. Oh, ipakita tayo sa mga audience. ASUS. Okay, so this one is the power. Okay, we will connect. Wait. That one. Okay. Insert. Okay. Slow down. Okay. Good na. Good. Okay. So next, we will connect to the dangle natin instead of sa RG kasi nakakonect ito sa ham natin. So connect. Okay, so we will turn off the lights. Can you focus? Can you remove the light? Please. Okay.
Wow.
So yan. Focus mo. Yan.
Wow.
Okay, so if hindi siya naka-turn on,
Wow.
guys, ito siya. Wait, focus. Oh, yan. Pag naka-turn on, wait. Ayan. So now we will check the check the, let's see if we can sync.
Wow.
No. Go niyo. Mati ibla go niyo. I-hold bala, i-hold. Nan. Okay, so we will check. Can you focus here? So we will check if makonect siya. You hold lang ha. Okay. So yan. As of the moment, hindi siya ma-detect. Okay, wait. So, nagawa na yan. Battery. So, search for devices. Okay, we will connect. Connect to a U bridge. Select the U bridge to which you connect. Okay. Dito siya, dapat. Ito. So, hindi siya dapat sa hub. Okay, so we will connect. Dito daw, sabi ni Mrs. ha. Wait lang. Okay, so we will connect dito. Sige. Connect natin directly sa ating laptop. Kasi hindi daw... Okay. Okay. Wait. Do not. Okay. So we'll try.
Now we try.
Oh, do not move. It's a delicate item, Kate, because it's an HDD. So pag nabagsak mo yan, wala na.
Hold on, please. Hold on.
Wait lang. Hindi siya ma-detect ng setting up a device. We're setting device is ready to go. Sabi niya ready to go na daw. So andyan na siya, oh. But it's not showing here, oh. Teka lang. This is an external device. Dapat lalabas siya dito as an unplug ko? Okay, wait. Yeah, we will try to unplug again. Kit, be careful, Kit.
No, I
Do not touch my hand.
don't like you. I don't like you.
Oh, wait.
I don't like you.
ROG Team Update Center Update All. Okay, so I think we need to update the app because we connected a new device. Okay. So we will see. Wait kita. Okay, so I just put aside here. Okay, wait lang. Okay, it's there. So this is the FX. Ay, andyan na siya. Ayan o. So this one is the impact. The ROG Strix impact is the mouse. And then the GT is the laptop itself. And then the ASUS FX is the external device. Ayan na. Ayan na. So, ayan na. Watch o. Dito, kid. So, ayan na. Nakasync na siya. So, we will check the effect. Breathing. Yan. So it's all green. Nakita nyo guys. So it's all green. It's all green. So yung mouse dito, tingnan mo din. Naka-green din siya.
Ako lang.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay. So we will increase the speed. Okay pa tayo na eh. Increase the speed. Yan. Kita nyo guys. Okay. Pwede ding rainbow. Ayan. So now it's rainbow. So it's changing. Alright. Now we will check the properties. We will go to the actual here. Let's see.
Mama, hindi
siya.
na lang takalab.
Okay, so we will check the properties. Select all.
Hindi na lang takalab.
Okay, so it's supposed to be 1 terabyte. So we'll check this one. Manual. It's manual version properties. $134 MB. Wait lang. How to check the manual? This ASUS properties. 8 files. Ito pala. Ito is what is the other one. Ito pala siya. So properties. Ayan guys. As you can see, the capacity is 1 million bytes. 1 billion bytes. So, ayan siya. So, 131 yung available niya. Okay? So, thank you for watching. And this is a very good device, guys. Tama yung na-order natin.
Kumiyara mga minor na. Pero kadali lang masulba kayo. Salamat.
Thank you, Brother Joe. Hey guys, so good morning. So welcome back to Job Opportunity Worldwide. So ito yun guys, na-connect na natin yung ASUS FX 1TB HDD. Perfect! So guys, 1031 yung available space na. For our OS or for our PC, meron tayong 475 GB. This is an SSD. SSD pala. SSD. Solid state drive. So this one is 512 pero yung magamit natin is just 475. At currently meron na lang tayong 180 GB kasi we have movies here sa ating dito. So yan. So may movies tayo dyan. So we will transfer it to our ASUS FX HDD. So pakita ko sa inyo guys yung HDD natin. Fully customable siya. Ma-customize mo siya. It's because it's an ROG din. So yan, you go here, our sync. So this one is our laptop, this one is our ROG Strix G mouse, and this one is our FX.
Mommy!
So maka-connect mo siya guys, as you can see earlier sa video natin. So ma-customize mo siya. Then dito guys, later on I will create another video on how to create an Aura creator. Okay, later on. So watch out for that video guys. So once again guys, I highly recommend this one, this HDD from ASUS. So 1 terabyte siya guys. Meron din siyang 2 terabyte pero nasa 5,000 plus. I think 5.7 or 5.8. So this one is just 3. This is 3,007 but nag-promo siya. So nabili natin siya sa mga 3.1. So thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, Thank you in advance. Please subscribe and share our video. Okay, thank you again and have a wonderful day.
Perfect.